So, good evening everyone. My name is Vince Lando Sisinkol and I'm about to present to you this short informative video about food service. So, what is food service? So, when we talk about food service, this refers to the series of activities usually found in the food and beverage industry. So, food service is about the practices of managing and serving in restaurant businesses, and usually this is a common practice for those that are pursuing HM. So food service can have a lot of variations and usually it depends on the type of staff. So when food service is usually refers to the chefs and also the waiters and waitresses, but this also can include the managers. These are the head figures that manages the hotel and restaurant enterprises or establishments. They are vital for the success and recruitment of manpower in the food service industry. So the types of services in food service, there are three. These are the dine-in, which is the classic order and dine the food inside the restaurant. There's the takeout, which is the opposite of dine-in, which is ordering and paying for the meals and consuming their meals elsewhere outside the restaurant. And there's also the delivery, which is delivering the ordered meals to the customers' homes. So when it comes to food service, the manager or the head must always have these sorts of manpower planning, which is the involvement of recruiting different kinds of staffs and that are well qualified for the job, and they have also need for the ideal location, the good location that is easily accessible for the customers, and they also need good logistics, which is transporting their goods and materials, their ingredients for the food service. And there's also the need for manuals and also the ideal general cleaning for their restaurants or their equipments to avoid any sorts of contamination or pests that may be present and spoil the area. So why is food service so important for the industry? Food service is so important because it is one of the most popular and common ways of businesses nowadays, and also because in food service majority of the manpower revolves around HM, or usually those that are pursuing chefs or bartending. And in this type of job, many people are commonly they love to eat and basically just taste and enjoy snacks to have a good time, and also for them to experience shared family bonding. This is why with food service industries are very strong and still is one of the most leading types of businesses nowadays, is because of their desire to always serve the people with what they want, and also to ensure that a steady flow of income will benefit themselves as well for their efforts in making the business. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching this, and thank you and God bless.